Very good class. Good teacher and good setup. Learn 4 dishes. Teacher demonstrates one dish, then you do it yourself in their kitchen. You are guided through it. At the end, you eat the food you made in their restaurant. Beautiful space. Very nice guild and chef teaching all the ingredients and methods. The morning market exploration, I had a Thai milk tea and it was great. After cooking, I invited my friend to enjoy the meal I cooked together. Overall, I highly recommend this cooking class. I went with my 2 kids aged at 11 and 9. I have been worrying that the course would be too long for them, but ended up they enjoyed it so much and asked if they could go again. The chef who taught us was so friendly and patient. She literally aroused our interests in Thai cooking. Everything was well prepared and we were even given teaching. Handouts. Blue Elephant is a well-known Michelin restaurant and cooking school in Bangkok. Although the price is higher than other cooking schools, the course is very solid. You have to cook 4 dishes in one morning. The dishes are different every day. The class is taught in English. The teacher is after demonstrating a dish, students will immediately go to the cooking table and cook a dish themselves. It is very fulfilling and suitable for people who want to learn cooking seriously. After class, you can choose to take away or eat in the dishes you cooked. The dining environment is very elegant and historical, and it is definitely worth the price. Highly recommended to friends who like cooking. Absolutely worth taking the class. The cooking, it was much simpler than I thought for its complex taste of Thai food. I hope to make the dish back in my home. The cooking class is perfectly good. It's worth a visit. Blue Elephant cooking class 4 course. Fish cake, spicy soup with fish, fried beef with long eggplant, green curry with chicken. A pleasant afternoon. The teachers were attentive and explained in detail. It was not as difficult as I thought. The learning environment is very comfortable and I would recommend it to friends who like Thai food. I was really satisfied. I will go again next time. I hesitated because I don't speak English, I'm not good at communicating and I only know a few words so I can barely understand them, but I took courage and went. But I took the class without any discomfort. This is my 4th visit to Bangkok, and every time I go, I stay for more than 1 to 2 weeks, and I am so satisfied that this experience was the best so far. In the morning class, ingredients are explained at the market, and after a demonstration, you can taste them and make them yourself. I like being able to eat the dishes I made in a restaurant with a clean kitchen, organized ingredients, and a great atmosphere after completion. I will definitely go again next time. Chefs, please teach me so kindly. Yellow heart emoji. Kids love the cooking class. We had chance to go to local market to learn the vegetables. It's good to cook us lunch. Very cool experience. A very historic building. The chef is very patient. The interior decoration is very high-end and elegant. The market tour is also very educational. Every dish is very Thai. The kitchen staff are also very enthusiastic to help. I recommend it to everyone. The price is high but definitely it has its value. Best thing to do during a scorching hot day in BKK. The teacher/chef was really engaging. At the end, they let you eat your food. I was alone and it was 4 dishes. They let me invite a friend who didn't join the class and we got to have a nice meal, that I cooked, in the pretty restaurant downstairs. The place is easy to find, because Blue Elephant itself is a restaurant with high ratings on Dianthing. It has a separate building. In terms of content, I first followed the guide and took a subway stop to a vegetable market, which is also where the Go Bangkok cycling event is held, to learn about some main spices. This part is fine for Chinese people, not particularly novel or interesting. And the environment is inevitably dirty and hot. Back at the restaurant, the 4 dishes were not listed on the reservation page, but they were generally arranged according to salad, curry dish 1, soup, and hot dish 2. The process is to watch the chef demonstrate a dish, and we will practice a dish. After 4 hours, we will cook and eat at the same time, so we will not be bored or hungry. I feel like I've basically mastered the essence of Thai food, haha. In the end, I ate the 4 dishes I cooked with rice. The staff's attitude is very good.